Ka-researcher, bawal daw ang how kapag quantitative ang research? So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng gamitin ang how sa research questions kapag quantitative ang study. Totoo ba yan? Yan yung sasagutin natin sa video natin na ito. Hi ka-schoolers! Hello ka-researchers! Welcome back to our channel. Yes, gaano nga ba katotoo na ang how question ay exclusive lamang sa qualitative research? At hindi siya pwedeng gamitin sa research question sa quantitative research. So yan po yung kaklaruhin natin sa video na ito. At ka-researcher, isa-share ko din sa inyo yung guidelines in writing quantitative research questions. Kaya, stay tuned! So, ka-researcher, nag-search ako online at inalam ko kung bawal ba talagang gamitin yung how question sa SOP ng isang quantitative research study. So, ito yung lumabas. So, in other words, wala akong nakita o nabasa na bawal ang how question sa pag-develop or pag-construct ng research question sa quantitative study. In fact, pati nga si ChatGPT tinanong ko na Ito yung sagot niya. Is it true that we cannot use how question in quantitative research study? So, ito po ang sagot ni ChatGPT.
It is not necessarily true that how questions cannot be used in quantitative research. The phrasing of a research question in a quantitative study generally aims at understanding relationships, comparisons, or measurable variables. How questions can sometimes be used if they focus on quantifiable aspects. For example, how does classroom size affect student performance? How does income level influence health outcomes?
So para patunayan pa yan, punta tayo sa libro ni Creswell. So tanungin natin si Creswell, paano po ba ang paggawa ng questions sa quantitative study? So, ka-researcher, let me share this with you, yung sinabi ni Creswell or statement niya in writing quantitative research questions. So, according to him, because research questions narrow and focus the purpose statement, they serve to restate the purpose in specific questions that the researcher seeks to answer. Research questions describe the participants' reactions to a single variable, compare groups on an outcome, or relate to variables. Also, research questions are found in all designs in quantitative research, such as in experiments, correlational studies, and surveys. Ngayon, punta naman tayo sa guidelines ni Creswell in writing quantitative research questions. In particular, ito po yung mga basic steps in forming a research question sa quantitative study. So, the basic steps in forming a research question. 1. Pose a question. 2. Begin with how, what, or why. 3. Specify the independent, dependent, and mediating or control variables. 4. Use the words describe, compare, or relate to indicate the action or connection among the variables. And 5. Indicate the participants and the research site for the study. So, ayan, napakalinaw. Sa quantitative study, we can begin our questions with how, with what, or with why. So, additionally, sa quantitative research, meron tayong tatlong popular forms in terms of research questions. So, nandyan yung descriptive questions, relationship questions, at yung comparison questions. So, ngayon na, magpapakita tayo ng mga sample how questions using these forms. So, ayan ka-researcher, nakita natin no, kung paano ginamit yung how sa mga research questions sa quantitative study. So, hindi natin pwedeng limitahan ang quantitative research. Lalo na isipin na lang natin, paano masasagot o mabibigyang paliwanag no, yung resulta kung lilimitahan natin or ibabawal natin ang paggamit ng mga ganyang type ng questions. Okay, so lalo na no, wala naman tayong malinaw na paliwanag or wala naman tayong reference for saying or doing that. So, there you have it, ka-schooler, ka-researcher. If you have other questions or like clarifications na gusto nyong sagutin natin or gawan natin ng content kagaya nito, message nyo lang po ako, si Ma'am Ana, or mag-comment kayo dito sa ating channel. Happy learning everyone. Thank you for being with me and always stay safe. Bye-bye!